It seems that everyone in the New Zealand forest industry is taking a keen interest in the new LogChamp swing yarders as the first machines begin to arrive from Canada. And why not? A new brand of yarder is a very rare beast indeed. LogChamp is only a couple of years old. It's the name for a range of swing yarders produced by a company called Timar Industries from Canada. Timar started off with a lighter 45-tonne model, the LogChamp 550. The plans for the larger 64-tonne LogChamp 650 sat on the drawing board until a group of New Zealand contractors, accompanied by newly appointed distributor AB Equipment, visited the factory on Vancouver Island. By the end of the trip, 2 orders were signed for the first LC 650s to be built and were later followed by 4 more, along with one of the smaller LC 550 models. Last December, those first 2 LC 650s landed in New Zealand and pretty much went to work on the same day, one for Douglas Logging of Dargaville and the other for Lou Prince Logging of Taupo. The NZ Logger magazine Iron Test team visited the Rukumoana forest, half an hour from Napier, to see the Prince machine in action and get a feel for what lies beneath the interest in LogChamp. It's a traditional looking swing yarder with a 60-foot boom and a 42-foot high gantry featuring a walking fairlead design. All the running gear is derived from Caterpillar and includes a Cat C15 Acert 15.2 litre engine that delivers 475 horsepower, driving through a Cat CX31 PowerShift transmission with 5 gears and a lock-up torque converter. The track base is also from Caterpillar, a D7. Our Iron Test team liked how the big bonnet has a door opening next to the walkway leading to the cab that provides great walk-around access to the engine and transmission. There's also good access to the main drums and hydraulics through the wide side door. The big Wichita mainline drum has a capacity of 560 metres of 7/8 inch rope. It has a maximum line pull of 42 tonnes using air-actuated main pulling and hydraulically actuated drum clutches, with a new generation 136 Wichita water-cooled slip clutch and band-type spotting brakes, which are spring-applied for parking. Another great feature is the use of a separate compressor to feed the hydraulics, rather than use an engine-driven pump. This lowers fuel consumption dramatically and retains full power at all times. The cab is basic but fuss-free, and large floor-to-ceiling windows provide great views in all directions, even with the heavy steel bars out front. Iron tester Sam Keefe has lots of experience with swing yarders, and he came away very impressed with the way the LogChamp operates. The LogChamp controls are the most digger-like controls we've sampled in any yarder, and Sam says the yarder is a breeze to work with. Timar builds its own grapples, and the model fitted to the Lou Prince machine is the largest it makes. The grapple weighs in at 1332 kilograms and has double sheaves to provide better grip. A camera is fitted to the carriage, sending a clear picture of the stems on the ground to the operator via a big screen on the front right pillar in the cab. Cameras can be very temperamental in harsh forestry conditions, but this one seems to be standing up to the punishment. In fact, the whole machine is handling the heavy logs and heavy weather in New Zealand very well.